Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Apptivo to QuickBooks for lead-to-invoice sync. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open the Apptivo dashboard in your web browser. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Integrations section. Find and select QuickBooks from the list of available integrations. Click on the Connect button next to QuickBooks. You will be redirected to the QuickBooks login page. Enter your QuickBooks login information and click Sign In. Grant Apptivo permission to access your QuickBooks account. After successfully connecting, return to your Apptivo dashboard. Now, go to the Leads section in Apptivo. Select the lead you wish to sync with QuickBooks. Click on the Actions button within the lead details. Choose the Create Invoice option from the drop-down menu. Review the pre-filled invoice details. Make any necessary adjustments or changes. Click on the Save button to finalize the invoice. Your lead is now synced with QuickBooks as an invoice. To verify, log in to your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the Invoices section in QuickBooks. Search for the invoice created from Apptivo. Confirm that all details match correctly. You have successfully connected Apptivo to QuickBooks for lead-to-invoice sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.